Les croquantes et les croquants, tous les gens bien intentionnés s'amusaient à me voir jeûner. Toi l'hôtesse, quand tu mourras, quand les croque-morts t'emportera, qu'ils te conduisent à travers ciel, au Père éternel. Elle est à toi cette chanson, toi l'étranger qui sans façon, d'un air malheureux m'a souri, lorsque les gendarmes m'ont pris. Toi qui n'as pas applaudi quand les croquantes et les croquants, tous les gens bien intentionnés riaient de me voir emmener. Toi l'étranger, quand tu mourras, quand les croque-morts t'emportera, qu'ils te conduisent à travers ciel, au Père éternel. Dona wela mamba, doma firikoto, don chikata salao, don mutuzani kataja, dona washisazo, don Maria yalwanga, samukutu kafila. Dona wela mamba, doma firikoto. Ngano nakala kwani kuna gato. Vous avez l'incompréhension. Taisez-vous. Oh là là, c'est pas vrai. Ma peut-être. Oh là là. Oh là là. Moi, je me suis posé la question. Est-ce que dois-je retourner au village? Ah, les femmes, vraiment. Là, je confirme l'adage qui dit les femmes ne construisent pas. Hein? Moi, je me suis posé juste la question. Oh là là. Tunatatuka ngwala tukokari kwetu tukokari mame tunatatuka ngwala tukokari kwetu muna ntandu yaye muna natunga yaya tukokari kwetu ankula bwenza yaye tukatatuka ngwala tukokari kwetu tukokari mame tunatatuka ngwala tukokari kwetu tukokari mwane kuna tatuka ngwala tukokari kwetu muna ntandu yaye muna natunga yaya tukokari kwetu ankula bwenza yaye tukatatunga bwala tukokari kwetu peno bika kuzonza bamambu ya peno ya buzoba ina peno kuna kuzonza sabu ti tento peke muntu tento lenda kusala kisalu ina bagala kesalaka tento lenda kusala technicienne, tento lenda kunata machine, tento lenda kuvanda présidente. Ni ya una betumezonza. Ba tento betumetelama l'émancipation de la femme africaine. Aha! Atobokari kwetwe kunata kuntangwala tobokari kwetwe. Atobokari mwane kunata kuntangwala tobokari kwetwe. Memuna ntandu yaye mona natunga yaya tobokari kwetwe. Akula kwenda yaye tokota tunga wala tobokari kwetwe. Attention pila mosikeba. Tolobi boye, botika kofinga biso na ba réseaux sociaux, na ba Instagram, na ba Facebook, o koliana mwasi koliana ndoki. Depuis quand biso to komi mandoki na bino, biso batoto lambela kabino, biso batoto pesa kabino nyonso, bozo lia bozo dunda, bozo finga biso lisusu, o basi bazoba. Yambaloyo, mwasi atelemi. Atobokari ngwale, kuna tatu kangwala, tobokari kweto. Atobokari mane, kuna tatu kangwala, tobokari kweto. Memuna ntandu yaye, tobota tunga bwala, tobokari kweto. Akula kwenza yaye, tobota tunga bwala, tobokari kweto. C'est un retour au village. Revisiter nos berceuses. Ces chansons authentiquement incarnées se font ainsi vectrices d'un message fort sur le matrimoniat et le rôle capital des mamans au sein d'une société. Il s'agit de chanter pour émanciper la femme.
Kiambote.
Kiambote Tatampandu.
Oh, thank you very much, Tata, for making it this early where you are.
Yeah, it's not too bad actually.
Oh, is it?
No, yeah, it's in the afternoon.
That's good. Just go. Tata Kwasi, are you there? Tata Kwasi, can you hear me? Hey. Tata Kwasi. Oh, okay. Hopefully Tata David is coming. Let me just greet the audience. Yambote, Ngizambote. Hello, welcome. This is Kikongo class online, live every Sunday, 5 p.m. London time. Tutondele, thank you very much. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo Kinshasa, and Congo Brazzaville. Tutondele. Yes, questions. That's all. I'm going to try to share my phone. That's all. Any questions? That's all.
No questions. Just
So
leave
far,
it.
so good.
So far, so good.
Good. Let me try to display. Okay. My slides, my PowerPoint file. It's the one, I think. Yes. Can you see my file? Kikongo grammar 20, yes?
Yeah. Did you send us this one? I think you did.
I did.
Yeah. You know what you did. I didn't. Okay. I didn't.
Actually, I did check. I did check it. I was about to send, but I noticed that I did send it already. Yes.
Yeah. I don't
Basically,
think I
we're going
put-
over and over
Yeah,
again.
I don't think I put
Topic.
it.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm just want to make sure that we know what we're doing. Yes. We know it well.
Okay.
Yes. Tonic. Well, yeah. Tonica is mononge. Yeah. You understand French, yes?
Yeah.
The equivalent in French, because in English a bit confusing. I mean, mono. In French you say moi, yes, moi. Okay, in English me, yeah, moi.
Yeah.
But when it comes to you, it's you. But in French it's toi, yes.
Uh-huh.
Yandi, French, lui, elle, yes, fait singular. Then yeto, yen. From Yandi you have the pattern is just yeah and adding your suffixes. Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Tata, question. You there? Let me see. Oh, Tata David. Let me see. Tata David. Let me see. Tata David is not around. Oh, okay. Yes. Okay, Tata. It is the same thing, just different settings. I mean, the file a bit different from the previous one. So remember the rule when we are talking about when it comes to location, you have to use locative preposition, yes?
Which is the IUA.
No. What, I mean, the rule is the first object,
Oh, yeah.
personal pronoun, second,
Correct.
yes, then the
Correct.
last thing
Yes.
your verb, yes?
Uh-huh.
Except for when you're talking about the location, you have to use ku, yes?
Cool. Okay.
Locative preposition, yes. Yes. Tata question. Oh, Tata, Anna, can you hear me?
I can hear you. I
Oh,
cannot hear him. I cannot hear.
Tata, Kwasi having issues. You can't hear me, Tata Kwasi.
I think he has to unmute himself.
Tata Kwasi, can you hear me? No, he can't. Sorry. Okay, hopefully he's going to come back. Yes. Yeah, mononge ye yandi yeto ye no yao. These are tonic, yes, personal pronoun. The standard one is this one, if you could say standard. These are I. I'm just putting the I, the vowel I, U, A, T, U. Plural is easy. Yeah. Then here, the so-called standard. When it comes to, I mean, it depends on tenses. See here, personal present continuous. We use ita. Yes.
Yeah.
Present tense. I. Tata, you with me?
Yeah.
Kiambote Tata David.
Kiambote.
Oh, Mvimba, Tata David.
Tuna mavimpi.
Good. Yes, we're going back to the same topic. Yes, just want to make sure that I mean, Kikongo is hard to learn. Yeah, this is, let's face it, it's very hard because linguists haven't simplified the language, sir. I'm doing my best, trying to make it easy for people to learn. Yeah. So I'm talking about. Did you receive this fund, Tata Debbie?
I did. Thank you.
Oh, good. Thank you. Where's my? Yes. Personal pronouns. We have emphatic, tonic, yes, and standard, yes. Yes. Monongeye. Then the personal pronoun, when it comes to, it depends on tenses. Here, tenses, when we're using present continuous, present continuous, we use ita, uta, kata, so on. Present tense, just vowel, yes. Am I clear, Tata?
Yes.
Tata David.
Mm-hmm.
Tata Kwasi, can you hear me? Oh, he can't, sorry.
His mic is muted.
Oh. Tata Kwasi, I think it's frozen. His computer's. Anyway, I hope that he's going to come back. Yes. Okay. Tutondele. Are you clear on this one? Totally.
Yeah, I'm clear. I think just more reviews. I gotta just spend more time reviewing it.
Mm-hmm. The standard, basically we have two. We have a tonic pronouns, then the standard one. But the standard one, when it comes to tenses, it depends on which tense you're using. When we're using present continuous, here, can you see present continuous?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Ita. Present tense, just I. Let me just try to apply it, otherwise we'll be going round and round. Okay. It is really me, Tata. How do you say it's really me in Kikongo?
Was it
Yeah, very easy.
Is it Ngina Kwame? No. Kwame.
You're just using tonic. Here, when just using tonic.
Oh. Is it Mono Kwame?
Correct, yes. Monokwame, yes.
Mono
Make sure you.
Kwame.
Yeah, remember these are the long vowel, yeah? Monokwame.
Mono Kwame.
Yeah. Hey. Tata David, yes?
Okay.
Yes. It's really him or her.
So you would say Yandi Kwandi.
Bravo, yeah, Yandi Kwan, yes. When we use the emphatic, just use this one, these pronouns. Yes. Okay. Tata Ali. Your verbs are there. We have one column for verbs and objects, yes. I'm coming from Banza, Congo.
Okay. Okay. Kumbanza Congo. Ita tuka.
Correct. Yes. Yes. Ita, because these are the for present continuous. At least the singular one. Yeah. This column, yes. kumbanza ko ita tuka. Tata David, please. I'm coming from New York. Kumbanza. Remember, Mbanza is okay. Give me 1 second. A technical issue here. One quick one.
Oh.
I'm sorry. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Tata Kwasi. He's right. He's still writing, but I can't hear him. Okay. He can't hear us. Yes.
No, it
Sorry.
looks like
No, he dropped
Okay, you
off.
back. Tata Kwasi, you back. Tata Kwasi, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, well done.
okay, good. Yeah, we just can't see you.
We can't see you. Your video, please. Can you enable your video, please? Tata Kwasi. Oh, Tutondele.
So
Let me just go back to Tata Kwasi because he didn't miss this one. Tata Kwasi, can you see my screen, Tata Kwasi? Tata Kwasi, can you see my screen? Yeah, I think it's gone again. Yeah, Tata David, yes?
mhm.
Tata David?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, when we're talking about emphatic, we're just using, you only use this one, these pronouns, yes? It really asks. Tata, please.
Yeto Cueto.
Yes, thank you very much. Well now, Yeto Kwete, very easy, Yeto Kwete. Yes, Tata Kwasi. Oh yeah, sorry. Okay.
Yeah, hello.
Okay. Can you see my screen, Tata Kwasi? Yes? Ah, latency. Oh yeah, Tata Kwasi. Okay, never mind. Okay, Tata David, I was trying to explain one thing here. These are the standard I, U, A, yes, pronoun, yes?
Mhm.
Yes, Tata David. Oh, can you hear me, Tata?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Oh, Tata David, can you hear me? Sorry.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Thank you very much. I'm saying, see, the Y column, yes? These are, you only use this ita, uta for present continuous, yes? And present tense, these are, okay, let us go back to, keep going around and around. Okay, let me try to apply. Present continuous, no, present tense. I live in Banza, Congo.
Okay, I live.
Tata David, please.
Yes.
Remember location. The
Yeah,
first is
I
your,
need to put the ku in front of
please,
that.
yeah, this is your
Yeah, I'm just
location.
forgetting the word for the verb for live, to live.
Is there? Zinga, sorry, you're right. It's not there. Zinga.
No.
Zinga.
Zinga. Okay.
Yes.
Kuzinga.
Kumbanza Kongo, the town.
Oh,
Remember
yeah.
the rule here?
Kumbanza Kongo,
Izinganga.
Izinganga. That's right.
Yes.
Izinganga.
Yeah. Can you see the rule here? First your object, yes. Second your personal pronoun. Then the last thing, third is your verb. Yes. Unless it is a location. When it comes to location, you go.
Then that comes first.
Yes. Let me just try to write something. Display something. Where is it? Dr. Kwasi,
Yeah.
can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let me try go ahead. How do you say it really me? Everything's there on your screen.
It's really me. I think it was looking like Mono Kwame, but it was like Kwame Kwaku or Kwame Kwenda we did last time. Kwenda Kwame.
Now, kwenda is the verb to go. Here, just using emphatic, your personal pronoun and
We did
emphatic.
it last class.
But when I say personal pronoun, you're using tonic, yes? Tonic.
Tonic.
One of those. Yes. Okay, question.
I'll look at my notes.
Sorry?
It is really me.
It is really me, yes. You got your pronoun, yes? You
Let's see that. It's really us and it's really them. And let's see. Use it tonic.
Yeah, you're using just this one. It's really me. Dr. David, can you help, please?
So
Yeah,
is
that would
it
just be monokwame.
Monokwa.
Yes, monokwame, yes.
Yeah.
These are emphatic. Remember, emphatic, the end is ame, akwa, and the end. Yeah, I think by now you should be used to that, yes?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, the thing I've underlined,
Well,
yeah? These are your suffixes, yes? Okay. Let me just try to.
that's new.
Yes. Tata David, present tense, you use the verb as it is, I mean. Your verb, then you add ng, nga, yes?
At the end for the present tense. Okay.
Yes, all the verbs are there. Kwenda, tuka, dya. Okay, Tata David, how do you say I eat? Let me just make sure it's there.
I am eating.
No, I want present tense.
So,
Sorry?
how do you say rain and how do you say it is raining?
That question, I can't hear you.
How do you say rain and how do you say it is raining?
Mvula munoka ina. Let us focus on this one, yes? That question, yes?
No problem.
Yeah. Where were we? Okay. I eat black-eyed peas every morning. Every morning means conson suka. Conson suka. That's the yes? Conson suka. Yeah, every morning.
Kososuka is every
Yeah.
day
Okay.
or
Over
every
to you
morning.
now. Sorry?
So kososuka is every morning.
Yeah, and suka is
Okay.
morning. So over to you, Tata David.
Okay.
I eat black-eyed pea every morning. Remember the rule.
Okay.
First your object. Where's your object, yeah?
Yeah. Let's see. And do I need to put the
Object, yes, object.
So it would just be nguba with no prefix.
It is black eyed peas. This one.
Okay, yes.
Mbwenge.
Mwenge. Mwenge, mono, dyanga, and then I'm sorry, I forgot every morning.
Constant sugar, don't worry. That one.
Yes.
Yes. Can you help that? Can you correct that? David, you're not wrong, but I just want to use one thing that you missed. That.
Okay. Mbwenge idyanga.
Constant sugar. Well done. Constant sugar. Yeah. Well done.
Okay. I forgot to put the E in front of.
No, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. It's correct. But we want just to keep this keep the toning just for emphatic. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Because we're using present tense. Go for this one. Yes. Is it confusing?
A little between the Y column and the X column. I'm not sure.
No, these are Y. Y is here explained. Y for present tense. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
The standard. These are the standard, but when it comes to dependent tenses, yes, these are present continuous. Ita, yes.
Mm-hmm.
For present tense. My question is about present tense. Yes. Present tense. Yeah, that's the development to you. Your object is mbwenge, black eyed pea mbwenge. Your first object, please.
Mm-hmm. So, right, plural is and that's right. Mbwenge is black eyed peas. I was calling them.
Your object mbwenge, then your personal pronoun, yes.
Mm-hmm. So then the personal pronoun goes in front of janga.
Well done, yes. Consonant sugar. Okay, don't worry about consonant. Yeah. NGA after your verb. I mean the infinitive. Tata kwasi. Okay. Let me try to move to the next one. Any question on this one? We just want to move to the next slide. Okay,
no, I think I've got it.
These are the second one. Okay, this is the second slide. Yeah, these are Kiko. I'm sure you are fine with this one. Yes?
Yes.
Yeah, that one negative. Key, your verbs in the middle. Then this is just a repeat. Mono, these are tonic. Mono and French. English, French is moi, toi, yes. Back again. Yeah. Kumbanza como izingilanga. Ita izingilanga. Present tense, yes.
Is it? So you could also say izinganga, right?
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah. I want you to stick to this one. Izinganga. Izingilanga. Correct. Yes.
Because that's what we have on the chart. Izinganga.
Is it there? Izinganga.
Okay.
Zinga not okay. Zinga is the verb. Yes. Zinga is zinganga. Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry. Let me try to display. We're going back to our text again to a test. Tata Dave, I want you to do it again. You did last time, it was good, but we need to do it again.
Okay. So I eat black-eyed peas.
No. I'm going to the new. Give me 1 minute. I need to display new. Need to stop this. Remember, ita kwenda. I'm going. Ita, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Easy nganga. We're using still using I. I'm saying Kikongo. We're still using E, but same E when it comes to present continuous, ita, yeah, your first person. But present tense, just E. Mwenge idyanga. Give me 1 minute, I just need to display my words. Yes. That question there? Is there? I can't hear me. I'm sorry, Tata Kwasi.
You said my name?
Oh, there's a delay in communication. Tata Kwasi. Yes, I did. I did say your name, Tata Kwasi. Can you see my screen, Tata Kwasi?
You want me to do one of the exercises?
Yes. Give me 1 second, Tata Kwasi. Let me just try to remove this one. Yes. Okay. Almost the same thing, yes, but yes, you need to apply your knowledge here. It's really me. We're using, they're there anyway. We're using tonic,
See,
yes.
same thing.
Tata
Kwame.
Ale.
Or
Sorry?
Mono Kwame.
It really us. Tata Kwasi.
It's really us. Us is
Yeto.
Yeto.
Well done, way to good, yes. I'm not going at all. Tata Kwasi. To go is kwenda, yes. Remember, when it comes to negative, you remember the first thing is your ki, yeah? Negative. Ki. Kikwenda.
Is it me to go still?
That's the question, yes?
Yeah?
I'm not going at all. Ki.
You're not?
Kikwenda kwa meko, yes? Oh, okay, Tata, please, I can't go at all.
Kilendi kwenda kwamiko.
Bravo, yes. Our land is here. Our emphatic is here. Tata Dev, yes? Yes. Okay. Now we're going to use possessive, yes? Remember, ame, aku, and the suffixes, yes? But our object, the first letter, the prefix depend on the object we own, yes? Tata Devi on this corn, my corn, Tata Devi.
Yeah, so
First your object, yeah, disa, yes?
Yes, but the possessive prefix.
Yeah, your prefix comes from here, from your object, yes.
Right. But you've got NB listed. So is that literally it? Or wasn't there a different possessive prefix that you gave us before?
Well, remember your suffixes, Tata David, ame, aku, and so on, yes?
Yeah.
You insert you put your prefix comes from here, the first letter. In this case, special, the first two letters. My corn, disa.
Diame.
Yes, disa diame.
Oh, that's right.
I know you know that. Here, Nzimbu, we're not using N because it's a nasal. That Kwasi, Nzimbu.
Right.
Zimbu. My money, right? Zimbu Zame.
Zimbu Zame, yeah. You can drop the I. Just use
Zame.
Yes.
Do you hear the I or do you drop the I?
You drop the
like
I.
a subtle
You drop the I.
drop.
Zimbuzame, yes.
Drop the I.
Yes, please. Thank you. Tata David, my
Zimbuzame.
business.
Mambu mame.
Yes. Her business.
Mambu mandi.
Correct. Yeah, well done. Tata Allen, my object.
This no kima kiame.
Yes, your object is kima, yes.
Yeah, kima
Object,
kiame.
yeah. Object means, kima means object, things, items. Yes, Tata Kwa say there, my tooth.
Dinu dame.
Yeah, Dinu Diame, yes. Well done, Dinu Diame, yes. Next one, Tata Kwasi.
Me?
Now we're talking our teeth, yeah? Ours. Yeah.
Our teeth?
Yes. Object first.
Meno.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like saying metro as well again.
Yeah, well done, Menometo, yes. Yes. Her hands, Tata.
Moko.
Third suffix.
Moko. Was it Miandi?
Remember, you use your first your prefix comes from your first letter. Yes. Moko.
Yeah. So you said her hand, right?
Yeah, her hands. Yeah.
So it's not moko.
Use your M. Yeah, M. Yes. Your prefix M.
Moko mandi.
Yes, mandi.
Oh, I said Miandi. Okay, moko mandi.
Yeah, moko mandi. I'm just want us to move from this lesson. Just let's keep going back. Are we fine on this one? Any questions?
Yeah, we're kind of clear, but there's one thing that I want to ask a question about.
Go ahead, Tata Kwasi.
I realized you dropped the I for everything else, but I think I heard you pronouncing the I on, which one was it? I think it was Disa. On one of them, I heard you use the I.
Yeah, we keep the eye on Disa and Dinu. Yes.
Okay.
Dinu Diame. Yes. Is it clear, Tata Kwasi?
Is there anything special about Disa, or is it the DI?
So I don't understand your question, Tata Kwasi. See, this is your object. You take as a prefix the first two letters, yeah? Di, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Disa Diame. Dinu Diame.
Yeah, but I think I hear you, Kwasi, if I hear you correctly, you're wondering why it would be moko mame for my hands as opposed to moko moame. So we don't keep the O, it's just the M. But on Disa and Dimu and Kima, it seems we keep the vowel after the
first two, the first
Is
vowel.
that what you're asking?
I think this is the question.
Well, I'm guessing so. Well, in my mind now, I have to say DI is the prefix on this word. But so I guess essentially what I'm saying is this the only exception, or are there other two-letter prefixes that we should be aware of?
Then maybe I will just focus on this one. These are
okay.
Dinu. Just use. Generally speaking, the DI. Whenever object is DI, you use both letters. I mean the first vowel. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I can't think of another right now. Yes. Okay. Can we move? Yes.
Mhm.
We're stopping soon. Okay, we're going to. I think Tata David. Did you do that? Tata David,
Mm.
and Tata Kwesi. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
These are our small talk. Yes. We need to apply our knowledge. Yes. Small talk. Tata David and Tata Kwesi. Tata David.
Okay.
Tata David, you are okay. Just for the sake of our talk, Tata David, you are the girl. Yes. Tata Kwesi, you greeting Tata David. Yes. Tata Kwesi. Tata Kwesi, yes.
Yeah, you said I'm greeting, answering.
You greeting Tata. She's a lady. Let's say that she's a lady. You greeting him, yes. We have English here. Hello, but we do.
Say it in English. Hello, madam.
Yeah, we're using
Hello, sir.
Kikongo. We're using Kikongo here. Kiambote, Kiambote Nengwa. Tata Kwesi, yes.
Kiambo, say what?
Nengwa,
Memba.
Madam Nengwa, yes.
Nengwa.
Thank you, Tata
Kiambo
David.
te
Okay.
nengwa.
Kiambute tata.
Thank you very much.
Tata, sir.
Tata David, your question, please.
Okay, he's the questioner though.
No, Tata Kwesi, okay, your question. Where are you coming from? You asking Tata David, I mean, lady.
Kui. What do I
Who's
conjure?
that?
Kisa.
Sorry?
Well, I don't know what it's from, and I'm thinking. Okay.
Yeah, no, just ask a question. Where are you coming from? Kwe utatuka. Tata Kwesi, please.
What is the word you use?
Kwe is there. Kwe utatuka. Remember, uta is your
Kui
second.
utatuka. So we're not
Yes.
using Kwisa.
Kwe utatuka. Tuka is your coming from, the verb
Tuka.
coming from, yes. Thank you very much. Tata David.
Yeah, so I would say Kumbanza Congo Ita Tuka.
Tuka. Correct, yeah. Tuka, yeah. This two on the Tata Kwesi. Where do you live? Your question, eh?
Where do you live?
Kwe, yeah. You Kikongo, yeah, please. Kwe.
Unless you know what I know, Kui. You should leave me out, sir. I don't know these ones.
Okay. Kwe uzinganga.
Zanga.
Then Tata David, your answer?
Let's see, I would say
Remember location Ku first. Location Ku first, yes.
Ku Fuilu Futa Ita
This is present tense. E.
Okay.
Kuifuta E.
Yeah, Eving Ganga.
Well done, it's Zinganga. Yes, well done. Tata Kwesi, I'm sure you know this one. Go well. How do you say go well? Tata Kwesi. Tata Kwesi.
Me? What's that?
Yes, please. Yeah, your question to Tata David. Go well. Go well, Mrs. Yeah. Wenda, yeah.
How do you say
Wenda
go well?
Kiambote.
Sala Kimote or Tutondele?
No. This is your question. You saying go well, Mrs. Wenda Kiambote Nengwa. Can you say it again, please? Wenda Kiambote Nengwa. Thank you, Tata David.
I would say Sala Kiambute Tata.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you, Tata Kwesi. Thank you, Mrs. Kikongo, please.
Tutondele Nengwa.
Nengwa. Yeah, well done, Tata David.
Nengwa. Kiolufuta.
You are welcome. Kediambuko.
Kijambuko. Yes, I couldn't remember that particular word.
Kediambuko.
Kijambuko.
You want me to write it down, Tata David? I'm sure. Kediambuko.
Kijambuko. Tata.
Kediambuko. Never mind, no problem. Kediambuko, yeah. Kediambuko. That'll be right problems, yeah. Yeah, Kediambuko, Tata David, yes.
Right. Yes, I remember now. Kijambuko.
Kediambuko.
So it's a double negative.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, yeah. Well done, Tata. Kediambuko. No, I can't remember the translation of Tata Makondika. No, Kediambuko, there's no problem, yeah. Okay. Tata David, Tata Ale, you are Mr. No, let's swap. Tata David, you are Mrs. Yeah, Tata David, you are Mr. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Tata David, please.
Okay. Kiambote Nengwa.
Kiambote Tata.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Tata David, yes. Remember location.
Right.
Kwe, yeah, Kwe.
Yes, I know. Kwe. Let's see.
Uta.
Kwe utatuka.
Well done.
Kumbanza Kongo ita tuka.
Tuka, yeah, the verb, yeah. Well done, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Tata David, Tata.
Okay. Kwe uta ibinganga.
Kwe uzinganga. Remember this time because we're not using ita.
Oh,
Remember
that's
the
right.
pattern is e. We don't use ita because it's present tense.
Right.
Just e. Yeah?
Kwe uta inganga.
Kwe uzinganga. Yes.
Kuzinganga.
Yes.
Kukwilu futa izinganga.
Well done. Yes. Tata David. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Wenda kiambote Nengwa.
Well done.
Nusala Kiambote Tata.
Well done. Tata David.
Tutondele Nengwa.
Well done.
Kediambuko Tata.
Well done. See, you speaking Kikongo, see? Yeah. Well done. Well done, Tata. Tata, yeah? Someone will be proud of you. So talking his language, yeah? David. Well done, yeah. I think we're stopping there. Let's call the day. Well done. Well, yeah, small talk. We're moving. Yeah. We're going ahead, you know.
Mm-hmm.
No turning back. Yeah. Let me just say hello to people. Okay. Okay, this is Kikongo. Tata Ale, can you try to translate into Kikongo?
Mavimpi meno Tata longi alongo ki aku.
Yeah. Everything. Well done. This good sentence. We need to practice. Apply your knowledge. Tata.
Oh, you want me to translate it?
Yeah, please, yes.
Mavimpi is hello.
Yeah.
Meno.
Mm-hmm.
I guess my vimpi to I guess meno eno. My vimpi to okay. Hello to you and Tata and Mister.
Mm-hmm.
Longie. I know alongiaku something to you or
that's referring to the class, right?
Yeah. But
long is teacher. Alongoki, remember I always greet you alongoki. When I send my message. Alongoki longi teacher alongoki
Kiaku.
Alongoki students, yes.
Alongoki, okay.
Yes. Let me just go back. Yes. Mavimpi meno. Hello to you, yes. Literally is your hello, yeah, but hello to you, yes. Remember the suffix. That's what we keep saying. Suffix very important. That David, can you see it? Can you see that? Yes.
Yeah.
Meno. We give eno. Yes. Second plural. That's yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Etatan longi, yeah, Mr. Teacher. Yes. Let's say that. Etatan longi. Alongoki. Alongoki. Student aku. Can you see aku? Suffix. Second plural. Second singular. Suffix.
Why didn't you use the plural?
No, it's talking to me.
Like sing. Huh?
Yours. I mean, your students, yeah. Tutondele, someone greeting as well. Greeting everyone. Tutondele, thank you very much. Quick. We're running out of time. Where are we? I can only speak English. Yeah, you can learn Kikongo. Okay. Only speak English, but like speak Kikongo. That's good. Oh, hello, girl. Thank you very much. Tutondele. Any questions, Tatana? Yes, see? Well, that Tatana, yeah? You're able to translate Kikongo, see? Yes. Yeah. We get to
those actual people.
Sorry?
Those are actual people?
Yeah, those are actual people.
People are commenting. Yeah, people are following us. People are live on YouTube, yes? They are. These are actual people, yeah. They're on YouTube, yes? This is on YouTube. Watching from YouTube, yeah? Tata. Watching from Facebook, yeah? Tata, yes, you did translate in Kikongo, yeah. Yeah. You should be proud of yourself. I mean, you are no longer ignorant. When you see Kikongo sentence, you can catch something, yes? Tata, yes?
Yeah.
That's good, yeah, something, yes.
Slowly but surely.
Yeah. This is it, yeah. Anyway. Thank you very much for your time, yeah. Enjoy your week. Atekwa, see you next Sunday.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sala
Kiambote.
Kietu yangani kawa uko iwao bongole meso mwene isibudi matu uwidi ikonzo dieno Keno luvo vanga bo Kongo Dya Nkwa Keno luvo vanga bo Kongo Dya Nkwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu Bizatala kwenwe Ekulungi mjikansi Kongo Dya Tungwa Keno luvo vanga bo Kongo Dya Nkwa Keno luvo vanga bo Kongo Dya Nkwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu Bizatala kwenwe Ekulungi